You see how that wear on the clutch pin versus the brake pin? I mean, that's how much more you use the clutch. I lubed the new ones up as best I could, just with, you know, with some grease. But yeah, there's really no lubrication, and that's what happened. It just wore out, which is play in your clutch pedal. Brake pedal. It feels really good. Very quickly. Now I'm going to do my clutch.
The air pressure set at 15 pounds to push the brake fluid.
There's pressure there, and there's pressure there.
Yeah.
And we'll get this set up. Take off the cap. Okay, so we've got to do this.
And this was
.4.
.4.
Whoops. Fronts are more accessible, so that's good. You know what I've got? Can I see that light? Okay. Oh, this is great. I can see. Okay. Okay. Well, I just opened it up. Okay, so I'm ready to go. I'm closed, but I will open it up as soon as you are ready. I'm open.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Ooh, lots of bubbles, lots of bubbles. Couple more bubbles. Moving slowly, but moving. Couple more bubbles. Okay, we can shut it down. Okay, it's shut.
Looks like it's there's an inch left.
So, oops. Oops, oops, oops. So, hooking up. Okay, that looks good. Well, I'm going uphill with my tube, and I am ready to do it. I'm going to open. Okay. Okay, it's opened.
Pressure's going on.
Pressure on.
Pressure's on.
Pressure's on. Lots of bubbles, lots of bubbles. Lots of bubbles.
Yep.
Small bubbles, not real big ones, but still bubbles, consistent bubbles. Liquid's flowing really well. Okay, I'm going to tighten it up.
Okay.
Okay, it's tight.
right. You stopped in time.
Clutch works. Now let's see if the brakes work.
Worked good.
And they work good.